Question number 1. What is the name of instrument used to measure electrical quantity? Option A meter, option B tester, option C micrometer, option D vernier caliper. Question number 2. Which terminal of the meter is connected for measuring electrical quantity? Option A input terminal, option B output terminal, option C meter movement, option D pointer mechanism. Question number 3. How the electrical quantity measured by the meter is marked in it? Option A using color codes, option B printing the values, option C using parameter symbols, option D directly printing the specification. Question number 4. What is the meaning of the symbol mark on the ammeter dial? Option A type of meter, option B position indicator, option C linear or non-linear, option D percentage error of meter. Question number 5. What is the value of each division marked by numbers on the voltmeter? Option A 1 volt, option B 2 volt, option C 4 volt, option D 5 volt. Question number 6. How to mechanical zero error of panel meter is corrected? Option A by replacing pointer, option B by replacing moving coil, option C by adjusting the screw, option D keeping the meter in vertical position. Question number 7. Which condition the mechanical zero error occur in panel meter? Option A at normal condition, option B at load connected condition, option C at current flowing condition, option D at voltage connected condition.